feeling left behind in this AI revolution? Wondering how to break into this exciting new field? Or maybe you're already in tech but struggling to keep up with the rapidly evolving technology? Introducing Learner's Galaxy, your guiding star in this vast universe of artificial intelligence education.
How do I know which AI skills I need to learn?
At Learner's Galaxy, we start by mapping your unique AI journey. We identify your skill gaps, assess your current expertise, and align our training with your future aspirations.
But I have tried online courses before. How is this different?
Unlike generic online tutorials, we believe in learning by doing. Our case study based approach immerses you in real world AI challenges. You'll be solving complex business problems using cutting edge AI tools and techniques from day one.
I'm at a crucial point in my career. Can Learner's Galaxy really make a difference?
Absolutely. We understand the weight of discipline. That is why we go beyond just teaching AI. We prepare you for interviews, help you build a standout professional profile, and guide you towards your dream job in AI. Your success is our success.
But what exactly will I learn?
AI is a huge canvas. And the beauty of it is, you don't need to paint the whole thing to create your masterpiece. We get that. And we are here to help you find the right brushes to paint your dream. Maybe you're all about making machines see with computer vision. Or perhaps you're fascinated by getting AI to chat like a pro with natural language processing. Or hey, maybe you want to dive deep into the world of machine learning and deep learning. Whatever it is, we've got you covered. And for those of you eyeing those cutting edge roles, we are right there with you, offering advanced courses in large language models that are reshaping the AI landscape as we speak. And the best part? We'll help you figure out exactly what you need to learn to reach your goal. No more guessing. We create a personalized learning path just for you.
How can I be sure I'm getting the most up-to-date knowledge?
Our expert instructors, interactive sessions, and industry partnerships ensure you're always at the cutting edge. At Learner's Galaxy, you don't just learn about AI, you become part of the AI community. So, are you ready to transform your career and become the AI professional the industry is desperately seeking? So, what are you waiting for? Join Learner's Galaxy today. Don't just reach out for the stars, navigate the entire galaxy of AI with confidence. Learner's Galaxy, expanding your horizons in the AI universe. Enroll now and redefine your career path.